Hi! Here we are in a new edition of OG Barista. I am Maria.
And I'm Mercedes.
We are gonna prepare today OG Coco Mocha.
This is my favorite frozen drink and it has 6 awesome ingredients. The Café Mocha sachet, some chocolate syrup, coconut extract, about 3 to 4 ounces of milk, and then ice. First step, we're gonna go ahead and pour the Café Mocha sachet in here. Most of you have blenders at home. You can use any kind of blender for this drink. So then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Okay, just make sure all that chocolate gets off, the more the merrier, right? Then you're going to add a teaspoon of the coconut extract. We use the coconut extract to give it that coconut flavor, that little escape to paradise. You can find those at any store in the baking aisle next to the almond vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna add the milk. Then I'm gonna hand it over to Maria to add the ice.
Thank you. I'm gonna pour the ice inside. The more ice you put, the thicker it's gonna be. So we are gonna go for 2 scoops. Once I have it, I'm gonna close this and then we are gonna play with this. Sometimes you can get some of your sachet in the walls, so you just have to shake it a little bit.
Alrighty, that looks perfect. Alrighty, now I'm gonna pour it into a cup. It's the perfect consistency. If you substitute the Café Mocha sachet for hot chocolate, it's a great summer drink for kids without the caffeine. And we're gonna top it off with some whipped cream. And then I like to add a little extra chocolate sauce.
And now, for the final touch, let's sprinkle a little bit of coconut on top. Doesn't it look good? Here you have your OG Coco Mocha.